In this video, I will share with you the #1 reason that you continue to regain weight after losing it, no matter which diet you have tried as of late, and I'll share with you how you can finally put an end to weight regain after a diet. And if you stay until the end of this video, I will share my top 3 resources for preventing weight regain after weight loss. And these are the very same 3 resources that I have used to help my hundreds of one-on-one clients collectively lose thousands of pounds and keep it off. To get even more weight maintenance tips, strategies, and education, the same ones I've used to help thousands of men and women just like you lose weight and keep it off, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you're notified when I release a brand new video every Tuesday. There are 1,000,001 ways to lose weight, and you've likely tried a few, whether it's been eating paleo, going keto, or following Weight Watchers or Whole30. Each of these approaches is well intended, but despite being quite different in how they help you and teach you to lose weight, they all have one thing in common. That thing? Each of these approaches fail to prepare you for maintaining the weight loss you do achieve after your diet. What popular fad diet have you tried lately? Comment below this video to let us know. The reason I'm asking that you comment below is so that you bring attention to the most recent approach you took to weight loss so you can better learn from your mistakes and pave a path going forward that will set you up for weight loss and maintenance success. All popular diets fail to help you prepare to maintain what weight loss you do achieve. For instance, when following Weight Watchers, they simply recommend begin eating a little bit more after you finish a diet. If you completed Whole30, well, their recommendation is to eat Whole30-ish after 30 days. Not really sure what the ish means. And if you're following the ketogenic diet, there is a major gap in the education when it comes to learning how to reintroduce those tasty carbohydrates you've been abstaining from the past few months. And well, you do plan on enjoying regular pizza again, and not pizza just made from cauliflower crust, right? Well, without a plan as to how to maintain your weight loss after a diet, you are inevitably fueling a vicious cycle in which you follow a popular diet, lose weight, regain it, and then have to start the cycle all over again. But fortunately, if you put a plan in place before you begin dieting, you will be set up for success when it comes to preventing weight regain after a diet. Let's talk about creating that plan next. I wouldn't be surprised to hear that you have experienced successful weight loss with any of the approaches I've discussed so far. And to be honest, there are a lot of pros about each of those approaches. However, you do need to go above and beyond your current approach to weight loss if you truly want to learn how to lose weight and keep it off. Fortunately for you, you're in the right place because here are 3 steps that you can take right now, whether you're about to start a diet or are in the middle of a diet, to finally learn how to prevent weight regain after weight loss. Step 1, learn why you need to begin eating more after a diet if you want to prevent weight regain. Step 2, know and understand when, why, and how you'll begin eating more. You cannot wing this. Step 3, have an answer to the following questions. How often will I increase my food intake after my diet? When should I stop increasing my food intake after my diet? How many workouts will I complete each week after my diet? How many days will I meal prep each week? How many cheat meals will I have each week? And how will I navigate my nutrition at social occasions? Once you have a clear, specific answer to each of those questions, you'll not only be prepared to finally prevent weight regain after a diet, but you'll also be prepared to best track and monitor progress as you continue navigating your post-diet weight maintenance phase. Now that you understand and recognize what's been missing from your approach when it comes to preventing weight regain after weight loss, it's time to take action and to implement the 3 steps and strategies I shared with you in this video. And I've also provided you with additional information in a video playlist entitled Weight Maintenance 101 that answers all common and frequently asked questions you may have after finishing a diet when trying to maintain weight loss. And you can begin watching this series of videos by clicking the link on your screen or the link directly below this video. Plus, I've created a detailed blueprint that shows you exactly what you need to do after finishing a diet for the first 12 weeks to prevent weight regain. This blueprint teaches you the how, when, and why to increase your calories the first 12 weeks after finishing your dieting phase, and also arms you with a plethora of tools, resources, checklists, and guidelines to help make sure you understand what you're doing and why you're doing it every single step of the way. And you can get your hands on my permanent weight maintenance blueprint by simply clicking the link in the top corner of your screen or directly below this video. I sincerely appreciate you watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, share it with a friend, family member, or loved one who you know would also find this video helpful, because this lets me know to continue making videos just like this. If you feel ready to put a stop to weight regain after weight loss, then leave a comment in the section below that says, "I'm ready." And if you include a picture or a GIF of SpongeBob SquarePants, I mean, if you know, then I will follow up with you and send you a special bundle of gifts for being so awesome. Thank you again for watching this video. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next video.